I think there's three important things that you should consider before you do. Some things like about your target client. Who are they? Where will you, where will they see your logo, and will they understand your message or not? So today, so I will show one of the company that my student already make for the for her final project about Aji Peracom. She redesigned all everything about her typo, the typography, the logo, the leaflet, all about Aji Perak. So I think it's the most important. One of the most important thing is you should understand about the area about Aji Perak business, yeah, about her client and her target and everything. I already show all the writing, so you can design based on the data that I give it to you. Yeah, this is the Aji Perak Instagram. If you see that we don't think that the logo or the design is appropriate for the ring, yeah, for the because they try to sell the ring for the couple. I think the logo and the design of the characters is not very, it's not appropriate. So that's why my student apply and try to redesign the logo and also the letter, everything about, and also the branding of the company. Other corporate or other company, or this is Yale University is the top university in United States. So it is the color blue, and the the just the logo just only Yale, yeah? Is very easy and understand for everybody, is very clear. Times is about news, yeah, but the color is red, the typo. So you should see the philosophy of the company. Also, the New York Times is one of the oldest newspaper still, but the font is interesting. He use the old style, yeah? Old style, but they still use it. So I think everything relate with the company and the purpose of the company and the object, and then the vision of the company. You should see the philosophy of the company, and then the most important thing is should be understand the message of your logo should be understood by other people.